watching Newsmite. Here is an important update from Punjab. HC flagged alleged link in Chandigarh liquor wine case. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has raised concern over an alleged link in Chandigarh liquor wine case involving a building declared unsafe in Sector 70. The court has asked the Chandigarh Administration Chief Secretary to explain the delay in action despite a showcase notice issued in August 2025 and how a liquor license was granted for a building marked for demolition. The matter will be heard after the administration submits its reply. A BJP delegation led by former Mayor Harpreet Kaur Babla met UT Administrator Gulab Chand Kataria over Chandigarh house boarding notice to house owner. The meeting was held amid concern in Sector 29 and 30 after notice were issued to 386 house for alleged alteration causing fear among residents. The delegation argued a humanitarian approach and a permanent solution for affected alloy. SC gives Centre 2 weeks on Rajwana Mercury plea in Beyant Singh case. The Supreme Court has directed the Centre to respond within 2 weeks on Balwant Singh Rajwana Mercury plea seeking commutations of his death sentence due to delay. Balwant Singh Rajwana has been in jail for over 29 years in 1995 Beyant Singh Association's case. His Mercury petitions has been pending since 2012. The court said no further extension will be granted and cautioned the centre over the long delay in taking a decision. Anganwadi worker murdered in Fatehpur, Maniar. CCTV captured the suspect. A 30-year-old Anganwadi helper Ramdeep Kaur was found murdered at a centre in Fatehpur, Manian village on Wednesday morning. Police said the victim, a mother of two, was alone when her throat was slit with a sharp weapon. CCTV footage has captured a suspect entering the premises and blades were recovered from this lot. Officials said clues has been found and the accused will be arrested soon. Punjab Panchayat data reveals wide gap in OBC representations. RTI data shows a wide gap between OBC population and representations in Punjab. Despite making up around 32% of the population, there is no OBC Sarpanch among 13,000 plus Gram Panchayats. OBC representation is about 3% as punches and is almost negligible in higher bodies. Official site states specific rules while criticized call it unrepresentative of ground reality. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.